This classic combination of graham crackers, chocolate, and toasted marshmallows is a must-have for any outdoor adventure. Grab a skewer and spear a marshmallow. Now here's the key: don't just torch it. Hold it over the embers and slowly rotate it, allowing the heat to evenly melt the inside and create a beautiful golden brown exterior. While the marshmallow is still gooey, sandwich it between two graham cracker squares with a piece of your favorite chocolate bar. Milk chocolate, dark chocolate, or even a peanut butter cup. Press it all together, let the heat from the marshmallow melt the chocolate slightly, and chomp away.